Do you want to see a murder of crows? Because that's what they're called when they get together. Well, let's set the scene. We gotta have some trees, right? Crows are passerine birds, perching birds, and are believed to be one of the world's most intelligent animals. The black crow is not only capable of tool use, but of tool construction, although it defies imagination as to see what he's going to do with this rock. Stick use for the crow is much more common, and they commonly live on all temperate continents except South America, which seems kind of odd, given that they certainly live and thrive in the California desert. The crow is a year-round species, and they range in size from the small pigeon-sized jackdaw to the big common raven. Now, as we can see in the clip previous, they do hang around with magpies in Calgary, but on this cold, icy winter day in Calgary, no crows are to be found. Crows were regularly hunted by humans up till the Iron Age, but knock on wood, nobody's catching this crow for dinner.